Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Espron 3451 Dell laptop driver download and install. So guys, first method you have to come this site www.dell.com, this official website, so you can download the driver. After that click on support and then click driver and download. After that you have to enter Spiron space 3451 and then click. This is your laptop. Scroll down. After that you can see there are two options to install, first automatic and second manually. Manually means if you install the specific like camera driver, LAN driver, Wi-Fi driver, so you can select this. And this is automatic means you have to check and require driver to install automatically, but sometime it will get installations times to getting issue, so try to install this way. Select and choose operating system. Selected Windows 10 64-bit, because Windows 10 64 and 11 driver you can same. And after that click to categorize. So first you can see audio driver, so you just click to download to start downloading. Okay, like this. So it is start. So I already downloaded. Just after the download I show you how to install. Just click on this icon, then click on yes for the administration installations, then click on install. Okay, then next. So guys, this is install and select no. If you install only audio driver, so you can select this. If you install the more, then finish, because installations, after installations restart is required. Okay, then this is a Wi-Fi driver. Okay, Wi-Fi, this is Wi-Fi, and click to download. Just click to download, it will start downloading in the download box. So after you can see, just single click to open. This is a Wi-Fi driver, then click on yes, then install. Then click finish and then close it. Then scroll down. Serial driver means this is a chipset driver, so I already downloaded the chipset driver. Click on it. After the click downloaded, just open and then click on installed. Then finished and then close it. Then chipset also done. And this is the touchpad driver, so this is download icon. I downloaded already. This is a touchpad driver. Click and then click on yes, then install, then click to OK. So you can see Dell touchpad driver installed successfully, and then click to OK. So this is Intel Bluetooth driver. So if you want to download it, this is wireless. Graphic card also there. And this is run in the background. After all the completed, then restart your system. Thank you.